Hello students, welcome you all. Welcome to this channel. In this class, we are going to discuss about the effects of global warming. In the last class, we have discussed about the global warming and causes of global warming. In this class, we are going to discuss about the effects of global warming. Here, global warming is the increasing the temperature of the Earth's surface. See, if the temperature of the Earth's surface increases, that leads to a melting of glaciers, and which have led to an increase in the sea level, and also this affects the coastal regions. Here, one by one, we'll discuss some other effects of this global warming. First one is the threats to the ecosystem. Here, because of the global warming, has affected the coral reefs, that can lead to a loss of plant and animal lives. Here, the coral reef means havala. We will call in Kannada havala ಅಥವಾ ಹವಳದ ದಿಬ್ಬ. That we can see in the inside the water, in the water bodies. Because of the increasing the temperature, the fragility of coral reefs even worse, means breaking of that coral reefs that we can see in the sea level or in the water bodies. Fragility means quality of being easily broken. And next one is the climate change, that we'll see one by one. Here, climate change, because of the global warming, climate is easily changes. Here, global warming has led to a change in the climatic conditions. There are droughts at some places and also floods at some. This climatic imbalance is the result of global warming. And next one is the spreads of diseases. Because of the global warming, here spreads also, diseases also spreads in so many ways. Here, one will take maximum diseases spreads by the mosquitoes that carry and spread some diseases. And next one is the high mortality rate, Sayuva Pramanam. Due to an increase in floods, tsunamis, and other natural calamities, the average death toll usually increases. Death rate usually increases because of the global warming. And also, such events can bring about the spread of diseases that can hamper human life. See, for example, we can take how the coronavirus is spreading and how many deaths happened in the 2019 and 20. And last one is the next one is the loss of natural habitat. See, in this winter season, we can see some birds like crane. In the winter season only, in this Belgaum region, this side we can see some crane birds, means kokkare. In rainy and summer season, we can't see that birds. See, because of the change in climates, those birds will lost their habitats. Because of that, birds will come to this regions. See, because of that global warming, maximum most of the birds and animals, they lost their habitat. In this case, animals need to migrate from one place to another place, and many of them even become extinct. And this is at another major effect of global warming. And next one is the greenhouse effect. Because of the global warming, here we will see the greenhouse effect. Here, in the last class also, I have told you greenhouse effect. Here, what is the greenhouse effect? Here, greenhouse effect is the, what is the greenhouse effect? Greenhouse effect is the when sun rays reaches the earth's surface. In the image you can see here, some of the rays are reflecting back to the space, and some are absorbed by the earth's surface, and some are re-radiated by the greenhouse gases. Some are re-radiated by the greenhouse gases. That leads to increase in the temperature of the surface. This is also one of the major effect of this global warming. Here, what is greenhouse effect? Greenhouse effect is the increase when the sun rays reaches the earth's surface. Some are reflected back to the space and some are re-radiated by the greenhouse gases, and some rays absorbed by the earth. This leads to an increase in the temperature of the earth. This effect we call the greenhouse effect. And what are the greenhouse gases here? Greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and some other artificial chemicals like CFCs. These are the greenhouse gases. And next one is depletion of ozone layer. Here, what is the depletion of ozone layer? Here, ozone layer we can chemically mention it O3. O3 is the symbol of ozone layer. Here in the image we can see here some of the rays UVC, UVB and UVAZ, means ultraviolet rays. The rays which are coming from earth, sun, the rays which are coming from sun are called ultraviolet rays. See, these rays are filtered by ozone layer, but this ozone layer is goes on depleting. Why this ozone layer depleting? Because of the CFCs. See, from where this CFCs will comes? See, CFCs will comes from our daily lives. Means maximum people they are using air conditioners, coolers and refrigerators in the world. See, these coolants, refrigerators and air conditioners, these emit them, radiate the CFCs. When these CFCs will reach the ozone layer, means that ozone layer will depleting. This is a because of this ozone layer is goes on depleting. When if the CFCs reaches to the ozone layer, there we can see the hole in the ozone layer. Through that sun rays will reaches to the earth's surface. That rays directly if the sun rays that directly fall on the human skin or any animal skin, that leads to the skin cancer, even some other diseases also. So these are the major effects of the global warming. And with this completes your first unit. And those who are not understand the lecture, once again you go through all the videos, and even we will share the notes through WhatsApp. Read that notes also. Then also you are not understanding, call to me. We will discuss about your confusions or your doubts. Thank you. We will meet in the next class with the second unit. Thank you.